Every YouTuber right now is talking about the housing crisis, the impending housing crisis that is coming. And that's scaring many of you. Many of my fellow realtors, that makes you nervous, gives you a little trepidation, a little bit of fear. Is this really happening? Is it really coming? And if the housing market does crash, what does that mean for me? One of the things that I teach all new agents is that good salespeople play whatever cards they have in their hand. It does not matter what they're dealt. It does not matter the housing market, the real estate economy, the economy, whether they're new, whether they're a vet, how old they are, how young they are, what color they are, what gender they are. None of those things matter. What matters is what you do with what you've got. What matters is how you interact and how you respond to what's going on around you. If the housing market crashes, if it does, what matters is your response to that. If you want to panic and freak out and get out of the business, then fine. That's a great reaction. But skilled salespeople, they respond thoughtfully. They understand, these are the cards that I have in my hand. What do I do with them now? Let's look at this from a real estate specific standpoint. Let's say you're at an open house and someone walks in and you connect and you have immediate great conversation and you ask them, well, I would love to represent you in helping you purchase your next home. Are you currently working with a realtor? Yes, we are. One of two things here. You've got bad cards in your hand. For you poker players, hold'em players, you got a 7 deuce off suit. It's not good. Most of the time, people are gonna fold. But the skilled agent might push it a little further. While the agents that suck might just be like, oh, okay, yeah, no worries, great, good luck, hope the best for you, hope you find the right home. A skilled agent takes those cards and says, okay, great, well, who's your realtor? And then watches the client, but I can't remember what their name is. Or, well, their name is so-and-so. Oh, well, that's unfortunate that they're making you get out on a Saturday to go look at open houses instead of scheduling private viewings for you. It's the difference in playing the cards that you're dealt. Skilled agents respond thoughtfully to whatever situation is put in front of them. Agents that don't do well in the business, they fold. How about this? I just would rather work with a friend. Let's say you've been calling for sell-by owners or whatever, and you get a face-to-face appointment and the customer says, we've got a friend in the business that we would rather work with. Two responses here. Once again, let's say you're dealt, that's like a 3-10 off suit. It's not the worst hand in the world, but it could be better. Most agents are gonna say, you know what? Okay, fine, I can't compete with a friend. While an agent that understands how to play their cards may say something like, we know it's difficult to do business with friends a lot of times because we don't always want our friends knowing our intimate personal details, and a lot of times your friends may slack off a little bit because they just assume, oh, we're gonna be cool, we're gonna be fine, we're gonna be good because we're buddies. Therefore, they might not give you the best effort, you might not get the best service. And at the end of the day, if you hire me, you can yell at me, you can get mad at me, you can vent to me. You can't do that to your friend. Do you really want your friend knowing your intimate personal details? And we can spin that the other way around, right? Oh, we don't want to work with a friend. Well, why would you not want to work with a friend? I'm here to do what's best for you. I see you every day. Why would I not represent you in the best way possible? I have your best interest in mind all the time. Why would I not have your best interest in real estate, the most expensive purchase you'll ever make? You play the cards you're dealt. Some may say that's manipulation. And if you're manipulating, then it's manipulation. But if you're speaking the truth and playing your cards, then you're being a good salesperson. I don't know what's going to happen to the housing market in 2021. There are a lot of people who are predicting doom and gloom. It's great right now, get it while it's good. But if it gets worse, if it does crash, those of you that understand how to play your cards correctly, you will thrive in that type of market. And if it continues to be amazing and you play your cards correctly, you will thrive in that market. But if you don't play your cards well, it does not matter what is going on in the market, you will fold. Catch you on the next one.